Are you headed to Splunk University? Here's what you need to know before you go so you can roll in like a pro. First up, pack the essentials. Starting with the absolute must-have items, pack your laptop, phone, charger for both, and any dongles you might need. Other essentials you won't regret packing are a pen and notepad, headphones, a reusable water bottle, medication, and a sweater or light jacket, because conference rooms are notoriously chilly and hoodie pickup usually doesn't start till the conference starts. Some other nice-to-have items include hand sanitizer, lip balm, mints or cough drops, and electrolytes. Next up, when to pick up your conference badge. To make your morning as smooth as possible, pick up your conference badge the night before. Trust us, it'll save you time and stress on that first day of class. Our third tip is try to arrive early. This helps ensure that you make it to the right conference room and track, hopefully with your preferred beverage in hand, ready to get settled before your course starts. Our next tip might not apply to everyone, but don't skip the prerequisites. Completing them ahead of time helps set you up for success. There's a lot to learn in a short amount of time, and we don't want anyone feeling like they're playing catch-up. Last, but certainly not least, read the Know Before You Go email. You should receive an email close to the Splunk U start date that contains general location details, start times, registration hours, and more. Check your inbox and give it a read before you arrive. Well, that's a wrap on our pro tips. Pack smart, plan ahead, and we'll see you there.